Hey, Billy. Yes. Now look, if you don't do me a good Tommy Duncan song, we might try something. Stay here, we will.
As I showed you that thing, the book is going around, thanks to Oscar, and did a fantastic job. This is all from the Family Fest. I talked to Justin Trevino the other day, helped him out with a PA system. And just to let you know, those guys, him and Myra Rowland, had a fantastic time. And he also said he would like to come back, and I understand Billy would like to do the same thing, come back and play. I know that Bobby Flores was trying to get back from Nashville, but he couldn't get an early ticket without costing him an arm and a leg. But anyway, he might show up next year. I don't know. We'll have to do some early calling this next go around. But anyway, we want to thank all the people that really helped out. Post 593, Bill Kimball, Ken Metcalf. I can't. Well, there's way too many people.
There is.
Do it.
I can't remember. What were we talking about again?
Oh, yeah. And also the Turner Club, Richard Turner Club. Yeah, don't want to forget those guys, man. But anyway, on behalf, this is what we ended up raising. Brad, are you here? Oh, there you go, Brad. Come on in here. Commander, is the commander up here?
Yeah, he is.
We'd like for these guys to speak a little bit, and they really were great help this year. We had more donations, we had more people, and it looks like this thing is just growing and growing, and for what the cause is. And certainly, we do support them, and we appreciate it from the State of Toy Association.
Yes, Yeah, first of all, I want to thank everybody for coming down and supporting these throughout the year. I especially want to thank Brad and the rest of the crew behind the scenes that did such an awesome job about a month ago on your fundraiser. These are the people that make this happen around here. It's not the commander. I just get to be on the pedestal when stuff like this happens. But you are always welcome in our Legion. You've always been welcomed here from the very beginning, and that's why we want to cater to your needs. We really enjoy what you're doing for the community and for us. We can't say enough about every single one of you. So I do want to give Brad the ability to say something, and the reason I want to have him say something, he's actively involved in supporting you guys. He was last month, which was a huge success for you. It wasn't here, but it was a huge success. And the other person that helped a lot was Chrissy Reed, who's our past commander as well. If it's not for those type of people, it's other people that are stepping up to help out. So, Brad?
So, first to San Antonio Steel Tar Association, thank you for allowing us to step in and be part of your fundraising efforts for the Warrior Family Sports Center. We have supported that organization just about from their inception. It goes back to about 2005. And we have raised a lot of money for them. If you've never been down to their building and see the programs that they are involved with and the things that they do, more for the families of the soldiers that are at BAMC, either receiving treatment or there for rehabilitation. They are the first line that these families, when they get flown in because their loved one has been wounded, they're the first ones that they meet at the Wounded Warrior Center. So if you can imagine, a lot of those families are getting flown in from overseas, sometimes a couple hours to pack to get on an airplane to come be with their loved one that's been wounded and may not have the funds. They help them, and this is where your donations go to help those incidentals, maybe secure some billeting, rent a car, diapers, whatever the case may be. But that's really what this is going to go for. It's a tremendous program, and they work tirelessly to make sure that the soldiers and the Wounded Warriors and their families are taken care of. So on behalf of the Wounded Warrior Center, Post 593, again, thank you for allowing us to be part of your event.
Okay, so this is my way. It was phenomenal. I can't say it enough. So, Kim AKF, we have a check made out for $10,000.
That's for the shotgun.
There's always a clown in the audience right here.
Still turn it up.
Well, the only thing I like to say is Mr. Piper here works very hard. I try to help him. He does the bulk of it. But when 593 stepped up a whole new thing. They really come with some professional help and advice, and they're really, the combination is good. So we're looking forward to a good future and many family fests to come. Thank you very much for having us and allowing us.
You need to sign that?
All right, finish.